Oh my god. Hello, Elro's here, and today, I'm not planning for, oh my god, my stupid CD holder, oh my god. Anyways, today we are going to be doing a lot of things, actually. We're going to be buying a pony and riding it a bit. It is actually quite early here, in Yorvik. By the time we get to, Mistfall, it might be a little later, I don't really know. But first we've got to ride this track because I've been wanting to do it so long. It's the Elite track. And oh my god, like I'm not even joking. I used to have a different track. It was like the Hollowwoods competition, which I really wanted to check it out. But guys, this is so much better. Like oh my god, I've wanted this for literally years. And I know I could have like actually just asked somebody to be in a group and then asked them to host the Elite track, but come on, who wants to do that? I want to get the track on my own. Oh, the jumps! I haven't had a jumping, like a literal jump, like show jumping course in so long, and the lines are just so difficult. I get why it's called the Elite track. It's so fun though. Oh my god, I'm gonna make pretty soon. I'm gonna make a movie. A short film for Star Stable dedicated to Onyx Magic, because a lot of people tell me that he doesn't look good or he isn't a nice looking horse, and I usually just tell them, hey, he's my horse. I pick my horses. You don't. But I'm gonna make a film dedicated to that. Wow, bronze already. But yeah, I'm gonna make a film about how, like, I'll tell you at these stables because I have to go take care of my horses, and then we're gonna hit Mistfall and buy that pony, and we need all the time we can have. See there. This feels so official. Like, I was in the barn and Ice Wish won. She's really green because I haven't ridden her in a while, and I'll have to make a video of either me trail riding her a bit. I don't think that jumping into trail riding is the best idea, but maybe like just doing a bit of work in the arena. And I am riding Wish Brother because lately I've been getting him used to cross-country jumping and even a bit of dressage, and he's doing just wonderful on that, so small clap for Wish Brother. Okay. No. Where on earth is Dundle? Where's Dundle? Here we go. So yeah, here is where the horse is, and I have pretty much almost 100% made up my mind. I was gonna buy, I'll show you which horse so that you're not like, you were gonna buy who again? So first of all, let's just have a small round of applause in the crowd for Star Stable squad, because they have amazing horses. I think that the one that if I'm buying a horse, it's definitely that one, because I'll buy it as like a dressage jumping horse. Anyways, now for the horse that I'm going to be buying. I'm so excited. Now the horse I am never ever going to be buying is this one right here, so we need to make sure we don't get that one. I'm going to be buying, I was originally going to be buying this one, but I realized I really want a show pony to be like a show pony, and so yeah, I am buying her. Oh my god guys, buy horse. It's been so long. Okay, we need to randomize because I really did not. Crazy Ice, Coral Dew, Ninja Blaze, Twin Promise, Something Promise, Princess Promise? No. Cloud Promise, Cinnamon Promise, Class Promise. Oh, Star Stable, why do you do this to me? Wait, first of all, have they taken my star coins yet? I don't think so. I wish you could like choose to not name your horse at first, and then once you really get a feel for them, you can name your horse. Fun fact: Wish Brothers' show name is Heart Horse. So I shall be back when I finally decide to choose a name. Hello guys, I'm back, and so far I've got Star Princess or Star Promise. I'm gonna go with Star Princess and then just nickname her when I figure out a good nickname. So here goes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Welcome home, Star Princess. Oh my god, it's such a cute name. I need to go care for her. You'll find it in its box. Oh, good luck with your new horse. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Ah, where is it? Oh right, they disappear so that you can't buy that horse again. Oh my god, I am so happy. I was gonna name it Grand Champion, but I'm gonna save the name Grand Champion for a Clydesdale when I get my Clydesdale, which will be in a very long time. Let's go check it out. And this is so good because next week I will make a club, and then the week after that I will buy the lead command, and then I shall start saving up for my next horse, which will actually, you guys can help me decide. It will either be a Dark Frisian, or it'll be a Lusitano, or it'll be a New Yorvik Warmblood. Because as I said, I'm kind of falling in love with the chestnut Yorvik Warmblood, but I am just a sucker for chestnuts because I have one. And oh my god, where is she? Oh right, I need to check what her stall is. Oh, it's next to, oh my god, oh wow, let's just change her stall to here so she can be with the other ones. Oh my god, okay, I need to put Wish Brother away and get on this new horse, guys. She is just gorgeous. Oh great. Oh, don't start. Okay, I thought that the glitch was going to start, but I think we can all agree that it is time to finish that quest that I have had for like literally the longest time. Okay. Oh, whoops, I took off the saddle pad again before taking off the other thing, which is not good for your horse. Luckily, my backpack has more space because I emptied it out, but this is so cute. Oh my god, she's a little level 1. Oh my god, we need to do training adventures in my next video. Oh my god. She feels so small. I can't wait to see how she moves. We're gonna go and dressage check because I think she's gonna look so adorable in it. And then we're gonna put on saddle bag and perfect. That's in, and then just some cute pink leg wraps. I will comment, and I think that a lot of us have this problem, but she's it's almost like she's sliding instead of walking. Anyways, I'm wearing this tack instead of just all my Valentine's Day tack because I find that pink goes really well with black. But now guys, it is time to test her out. I'm going to test her riding skills as we gallop to do the quest that I have had since I was non-Star Rider. Oh my god, she feels so slow, but she also feels so nice. Oh my god, first jump. Oh, that was a little weird. Oh my god. She jumps it so nicely, and I get that she's like a pixel horse, but she just does. And I was right. Oop. And you're probably thinking, Ella, right about what? I was right that she does have the same slow gallop as the starter horse. Hers is a little more forward and fast. I think even though she's a lower level, she's a bit faster than Wish Brother. Oh my god. Okay, chat. And she's got a nice forward, very active trot, I feel like. And then the walk is very nice, and the halt also very nice. She's got some different things, like her leg goes like that, And the backup is very nice. I think that Star Stable did a very good job with the backups because, like with starter horses, when you back up, it's like they don't like it. They're just looking forward like, hey, stop it. But yeah, I think that theirs is very nice. And her tail, I love how like its tail moves in the wind. So yeah, we will have to find a nickname, but Star Princess is for now her show name. What? Oh, I really wanted to put something on her. Maybe it was an item. Oh yeah, I need to buy this item of tack, but I'm only gonna buy it after Valentine's Day. Because as I said before, Valentine's Day stuff is limited, and oh my god, I cannot wait to try out the Pony Championship. Like, this will be so amazing. Oh no, she's probably one of the people trying to glitch it so she can do it. I tried that all the time when I was Snow Star Rider. Fun fact. Funny, that should be like a, that should have been a little one of the marks. What am I saying? The little championship mark? Not the championship mark, oh my god. The race mark. And oh my god, I can finally tell why you needed a pony for this, because that is very small. Oh my god, and these tiny jumps, like what even is this? What? The obstacle broke, you stopped the... What? No, literally, nothing happened. I sailed over that jump. Oh my god, that's kind of annoying. I only have... What? How do I have 40... Oh, yes! I need to go spend those on pretty hairdos. Oh my god. Write to James and ask if he... We have to actually go and get a hairdo. I don't know where the closest hairdo is. I think it would be my home stable, but oh my god, guys, this is so cute. I actually love this. I'm gonna have to pause the video, do these quests, and then come back when I am buying possibly a puppy, and then also getting a hairdo. See that? I get that was fast, but guys, we're already back here, and we're gonna test out the little things. I don't know. I really want to get braids, but I feel like I always put braids and some horses don't like braids. Let me try it at a different angle. The braids look the nicest on her though, and she is a little show pony. And her hair, oh my god, I love the braids. I'm sorry guys, but I need to get the braids. and I tell everybody that I'm not one to spend my star coins. I'm not, actually. A lot of people, like, will just buy a bunch of star coins. Hey, look, we're on the same horse. Hi! Oh my god, I just ran into a pool as I said hi to that person. I am definitely not sad or upset with my idea. The horse I ended up buying, I'll see you at Fort Pinta. Sadly, we are here at the shop and we cannot buy this puppy, and we are 4 star coins short. This really sucks, but what can you do? I did buy a lot of stuff today, so right now we're just gonna go, and I can't train with her because I need to do that on our training adventures. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a training adventures. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now I'm just gonna show you if you are planning on buying the Canamera or anything, what horse you should buy. I definitely think for a show pony you should buy her because she looks really nice with braids, and Steve's old saddle, which, oh my god, there's some background noises, which is, I will show you where I'm getting that and what it looks like in my next video. So first of all, there's the walk, and I did realize that it's not slidey anymore, it just used to be slidey, and I know this from another video. Then the trot is very nice. I love how it's so forward, perfect for shows. The canter is nice and small, and I think that when they make canter, they have a lot of difficulty making it too big. The rear is nice. It's very realistic. And then the slow gallop is, the jump is the prettiest from the slow gallop. I'll see you guys next time. The jump